Hello, Tommy. He got flowers on his ears. He was laying down. Look, he's got flowers all over himself. And he says, me. Huh, Tommy? Yes. Yes, you do. Huh. He's flipping out because we have... Let's see if I can zoom it on in. We have a bird feeder. See that? So we got many birds. Oh, look, there's one. Hello, birdie. He's a pretty birdie. And we have doves too. Oh, I love the doves. I love the doves. So anyway, that's Tommy. See? Oh, Tommy. See, he heard it. He heard the bird fly. Look at him. He loves watching the birds. He loves watching the birds.